Hello student, in this video we will learn about resonance effect or mesomeric effect. First, what is meant by resonance? The phenomenon in which two or more valence bond structure can be written for a molecule in order to explain all its properties is called as resonance. Resonance effect is permanent effect. Resonance means chemical structure can be written in two or more than two different forms. These different structure are called as the resonance structure, or it is also called as canonical form. Resonance structure are made by shifting of pi electrons. These are imaginary structure. All resonance can be mixed to form hybrid structure, and this hybrid structure is called as resonance hybrid. This resonance hybrid is a real structure. Here we take example benzene. In this benzene there are 3 pi bond, and this pi bond continuously delocalize, and therefore this resonance hybrid form, and this is the real structure of benzene. Now we define resonance effect. The polarity produced in a molecule as a result of interaction between two conjugated pi bonds or pi bonds and lone pair of electrons is called as the resonance effect, and it also called as the mesomeric effect. Here one word conjugated. What is meant by conjugated or conjugation? Alternate single and double bonds present in open system or cyclic system, and system with conjugation pi electron are delocalized. When these delocalized pi electrons, the polarity develop, and this is known as the resonance effect. There are two types of resonance effect. First is plus R effect and second one is minus R effect. In plus R effect, atoms or groups which release electrons toward carbon atom are said to have plus R effect. Or transfer of electron is away from the substituent group attached to conjugated system. Here various example given: chlorine, bromine, iodine, hydroxide, OR, NH2, etc. In this structure Cl is attached to carbon, and here conjugation present. Therefore this electron, lone pair of electron shift, and this pi bond electron also shift, and this is known as the plus R effect. Second types is minus R effect. In minus R effect, atoms or groups which withdraw electrons away from carbon atom are said to have minus R effect. In this effect, here C double bond O, NO2, Cn, COOH, COOR are the example of minus R effect. And here this pi bond electron shifted or delocalized, and therefore polarity is obtained. In this way we learn about the resonance effect and its type. In next video we will learn about the application of resonance effect. Thank you, student.